Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. LJ from the Natural Wellness Academy, and this is your daily wellness recipe. Today is a recipe for body, and it's part of a series that I'm going to do called Creative Greening. We know that greens are such nutritional powerhouses. They provide so many of the macronutrients that we need, the vitamins and the minerals. And the one I'm going to talk to today is my favorite. It is a green onion, or called scallion, and I use these in just about everything. And the way that I do this in order to retain all of its nutrition is I just snip it like right into a dish. And I do that raw. You can cook them if you want to cook them, but it retains more of its nutritional value. And the food, you can put it like in macaroni and cheese or pasta or a stew or a rice dish, and it will lightly caramelize. But get this, just one scallion has 100% of your vitamin K requirement for one day. It has 8% of vitamin A and 4% of vitamin C. So definitely get some more scallions in. Now, what I do is I just cut them down to where you see it's already going white, because I like 1 in 5 Americans have irritable bowel syndrome, and that's called dysbiosis. If you have leaky gut or problems with digestion, onions are really hard to digest. And so if you stick with the green part, it's going to be a lot easier for you. And you can hold this and you can, guess what? You can regrow this. I have the worst green thumb probably in the world. And yet somebody taught me this little trick years ago. And all you do is you put it in a little, cup or a vase with water. Look how pretty this is. And these represent all different varieties of growth. You'll see the one that I just put in there. If you try it within the next day, you start to see some growth. So this will be fun to do with the kids too. And you get to use them. I mean, if you're investing in high quality, let's say even organic green onions, you're just going to get so much more use. I'll do them like twice, and then they start to thin out, and I'll throw them out and start with new ones. The one tip, you want to change the water out every 3 to 4 days. It's kind of stinky after a while. So that is Creative Greening Scallions from the Natural Wellness Academy. Do you like scallions? Tell us what you think. How do you use them in your diet, and would you consider regrowing them? Your daily wellness recipe, Natural Wellness Academy. Thanks for listening.